Hey everyone! I am running a little low on laundry soap, and so I thought I would take a minute to show you a quick and easy way to make your own natural, non-toxic laundry detergent for pennies a load. All of these ingredients together are going to cost me $1.25. For the amount of laundry soap that I need, since I don't have an HE washing machine, I get about 32 loads out of this, and they cost me about 4 cents a piece. If you had a high efficiency washing machine, then it would only be 2 cents and you would get 64 loads out of this. Let me show you what's involved. First thing is I've got some water here. There's approximately 8 cups of water, and to that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Castile soap. And this you can find at any health store. I'm going to mix those ingredients up, and then because I want to fight germs in my house with my laundry detergent as well as everything else that I have in my house, I'm going to add some drops of On Guard, approximately 6 to 7. You can hear Ethan in the background. He's not real thrilled that I'm making soap right now. But we're just going to drop 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to mix that back up, and then I'm just going to pour it into a container. I use a 1/4 cup of laundry detergent per load in my house. If you have a high efficiency machine, you can use 1/8 of a cup. One of the biggest things that I think is super important is the fact that this is a natural, non-toxic laundry detergent. Our skin is our biggest organ, and the fact that we cover it in clothing that could be using toxic chemicals and conventional laundry detergents means that we're getting a lot of exposure, increasing our toxic load a lot. So if you're looking for a natural solution, ways to reduce toxins within your house, and a way to save some money, this is a great option. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. Thank you.